You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. There are different pronunciations. Milos is the Greek pronunciation now. In many languages like Czech or Serbian, Slovak, it's got a little accent on the S and it's pronounced Milos. Milos, you know, like the accent on Skoda, the brand name, car brand name, Milos. So generally it's going to be Milos or Milos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.